Yeah, is it much better now?
Yes, no, this is
Okay,
better than
fine.
earlier.
Okay, I was asking you, do you like movies? Movies.
Yes, I love movies. Not Bollywood, but I love Bollywood movies. I love. There is my favorite web series, that is Friends. I
Hmm?
am I am watching this web series every day, like little clip, like 25 to 30 minutes. I watch every day for my improving. Yeah, yeah,
For improving my English. Okay. Do you
yes.
think celebrities influence our lives in some way or the other?
I didn't get your question, ma'am.
Do celebrities influence our lives? Right. That means in any way do people keep imitating celebrities? They're influenced by their choices or the words that they say.
Yes, you're meant to say that we learn something from them like this.
Not just learn, influence, right? What does influence mean? It means that uh, will you be affected by their actions? If a celebrity is dressing up in black, will you also dress up in black, right? If a
Okay,
celebrity,
okay,
yeah,
got you. Yes, ma'am. Of course, when when we love any actor or celebrity, we copy. If
we
they
copy,
are, yes, if they are, we imitate them.
we do. Whom do you imitate?
Uh, you know, Chandler.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
I love guy.
Okay, you love him very well.
Yeah.
Um, you know that celebrities have a lot of money, right? Does it necessarily mean that they are very happy because they are rich and they live a luxurious life?
No, no, man.
Why? Why?
Because actually, first of all, we have to be a good human being. Let's say if I am earning lots of money, if I am earning in a month 1 lakh or 2 lakh rupees, it doesn't mean I am happy. When can I be happy? When I do my work wholeheartedly and I'm interested in that work. Are you getting my point?
Yes, yes, yes. Very good.
So yeah, uh, I I don't think so. Money can be important for us, essential for us, but it cannot give us happiness.
Not it can't.
Happiness, happiness is when we are healthy and when we are living our life healthy. This is happiness. This is actual happiness.
What are some of the things that make you happy?
There are some when I teach mathematics and when I help those students, they cannot afford coaching. And when I teach free of cost, and I am a YouTuber, I teach grammar, not speaking, and mathematics on YouTube. I love this, and it gives me a satisfaction because
Okay.
I'm helping others. Yes, ma'am.
It gives me a sense of satisfaction, right? Or it
Yeah,
makes me, or I feel satisfied.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. You can also use the word contentment, right? It makes me feel
Okay,
content.
content,
Content. It makes me feel
content.
content,
Okay, okay. Thank you.
right? Content means satisfaction plus happiness
Yes,
combination.
contentment.
Yeah.
This
It
is
makes me
the
feel
this is the new
content.
word for me.
Yes. Contentment or content. You can use both. Okay. Depending on the sentence. Right.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
So, tell me, would you want to be a celebrity?
I don't want to be any celebrity because I'm not interested in this thing. That is why I don't want to be any celebrity.
Celebrity does not just mean actors and actresses. Okay, it can be
Okay.
everybody gets confused. Celebrity means only actors and actresses. It can be even businessmen. It can be YouTuber, right? What if you're a celebrity in mathematics? Isn't that a good thing? It's not always a bad thing.
Yes, I got your point right now. I want to be a YouTuber, as I told
Want to
you,
be a
because
YouTuber.
yeah, a good YouTuber. I want to spread knowledge, good in the right way. I want to spread knowledge in the right way because there are so many YouTubers who spread knowledge in the wrong way. I have seen on YouTube this thing. If
Yes.
you search on YouTube, I want to speak English. There are some myths they will tell you. Please read grammar. You can speak very well if you read grammar, or you can you can speak by grammar rules by thinking grammar rules. This is I have experienced that we cannot speak English by thinking grammar or by thinking rules.
Mm.
If we want to speak, we have to be consistent with this language and listening and speak. We have to speak with yourself and ourselves.
Correct. I do
We
agree with
cannot
you.
speak. Yeah.
I do agree with you because when I'm speaking, I don't have the grammar rules in my mind. In fact, if you ask me the rules suddenly, I won't even be able to tell them. But I'm able to, right? So that's
Yes.
it.
Yes. I'm
Okay,
getting your point. I can relate.
perfect. Do you think that what are the things we can easily do that celebrities can't do? You know?
They cannot meet immediately if I go and sleep. Maybe there is a risk for them. It can be. They cannot meet immediately if I want to meet any
Mhm.
celebrity. Are you getting my point?
Yes, yes. And what else
Am
they
I
can?
am I speaking clearly?
Yes. Why are you worried and conscious about it? I can understand everything you're saying.
Okay.
Your sentences are also correct. So don't worry about that. Okay?
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Tell me, what else?
Ma'am, where are you from?
I'm from
Bangalore,
Bangalore.
Karnataka.
Yes.
Yeah, I know. And I have seen you on. There is a little girl, Havisha Rathore.
Yes.
You have conducted her lesson. She is very good at English speaking.
She's amazing. She speaks
Yes,
really,
yes, ma'am.
really well. Right?
Yeah. In
Adorable.
this age, she is speaking and she is using in speaking. There are some idioms. There are so many idioms she uses, and I am
Sometimes,
shocked that how can she use? She
yes.
is very mature than her age.
True, true. And she answers also very beautifully, not just the English language. Her sense of understanding is also so good.
Yes,
We are
yes,
shocked,
ma'am.
sometimes when we take sessions with her, we say, wow, you speak better than us sometimes.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Right?
She's very kind. She has sense of humor. I'm
She,
really shocked. In this age, she's doing very well. And
at this stage, mhm,
when she will turn in 20 or 21 age, she will be very mature than me and you.
definitely. We have no
Yes,
doubt
ma'am.
about that. Even we remark the same things, whenever we have sessions with her, even I'm like stunned and impressed that, wow, the way that you're speaking, the language, everything is so good, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It's good that you're watching her videos because it will always inspire you that even you have to go ahead and do and
Yeah.
learn that way, right?
Do you know, ma'am? I check every day on Clapingo that your session is any empty. Like I check that I will talk to you. I was very curious about it. Then I will talk to you.
Yay, thank you so
Yeah.
much for
Yes.
supporting me.
You
And
because you are very kind. You are very kind, and you always smiles at your face. This is very nice thing about you.
you always have a smile on your face, okay?
Yes,
Not I.
ma'am.
On. Even you, actually, even you have a smiling face, so I like that too because you're
Yes,
cheerful,
yes, ma'am.
laughing, and oh, it's very nice.
I am.
You're usually like that, even with your friends. You like to
Yeah,
make
yes,
sure.
ma'am. I always like this. If I am in a problem, I don't show I don't show I'm in a problem. I always smile,
That's a very
and
brilliant.
still yes, and still I am. I have any tension about my study and about my career, but right now I am smiling in front of you.
Wow, that's so sweet. What are some of the things in your workplace that stress you out? Like, what is the most stressful thing about mathematics?
Well, we don't when we are interested in something, we don't get any no frustrated thing and frustrated or frustrating thing.
We don't actually. The sentence would be we don't come across things that get us frustrated, right?
We don't come across.
Things that easily get us frustrated or easily
Yes, ma'am.
frustrate us. Mhm.
Yes. Let's say you are tutor on Clapingo and you are teaching me English.
Mhm.
Please tell me, you come across any problem or any frustration? Maybe no,
No.
because you are interested in this. That is why I don't think so. I am frustrated about my work or about my teaching mathematics. I love this. I don't have any problem about this.
Yes, very well. But as we say, every occupation has, we call it occupational hazards or something like that, right? So,
It could be. There are some students who bother me.
students. Mhm.
Yeah, they bother me and I get frustrated.
Very well. So for me, the problem is the staring at the screen for too long, right? So I'm okay with teaching for many hours, but staying in front of the screen, that is a little, I find that a little, like I don't like staring at the screen. That is my problem.
Okay.
Okay. Because I
What
keep
do you do? What, ma'am, what do you do? Are you doing any job or any work?
so before I was a marketing professional, but now full time I'm on Clappingo. I just keep teaching as much as I
Hmm.
can.
It is giving you a lots of money, maybe. Uh, it is little personal question. Sorry, please don't
No
mind.
problem. Don't worry. It's always good when it's in a sense of humor, you know. It gives you a lot of money, so you earn. No problem. Okay. It's always about clear intentions, also, you know. When your intentions are good, then the joke is taken as a joke. No problem.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Correct?
Yes,
Okay. I'll quickly give you a feedback. Some
yes,
slight
please.
mistakes with grammar are there, some that I corrected while you were speaking. So just try to review and check them. Articles also you tend to eat up sometimes, right? So when I correct you, you have to correct them. Like you are a tutor on Clappingo. You are tutor on Clappingo? No, a tutor on Clappingo, right? So so are you facing any problem? You ask me again that way, right? So
Are you? Yeah, yeah.
are you, right? You are facing any
Are you?
problem? Are you facing any
This is
problem?
not question. Yeah, because I was asking a question. That is why I shouldn't have asked this question.
Yes, you
I
involved
should.
it,
Yeah.
right? So some tiny mistakes like that are there. Since these are your initial classes, don't concentrate that much on grammar. It is okay. You can take it a little slow because you do speak well. You are able to understand everything except for the first question where you had to understand the meaning of influence and what the question actually meant, right? So